It snowed this week in my town for the first time this winter, and that inspired me to make a dessert that is perfect to enjoy during the cold weather with a hot drink. So let's get started. Alright, so first add unsalted butter in a bowl. One of the most important things for these cookies is that your butter is very soft, like this. You will see that some of the butters are still stick to the papers, which is really a good amount when you collect it. So make sure to scrape it off and add that to your bowl, okay? Like this much. And add powdered sugar and salt and almond powder. And we're gonna keep beating with the petals until it gets very fluffy. Start with low speed so that the powdered sugar is not gonna scatter everywhere, and you can gradually turn up the speed. Now you can see that it's much fluffier, which means it contains more airs inside, which creates such a flaky, light texture. Okay. Whisk cocoa powder and all-purpose flour together. And add to the butter mixture. And chocolate chips. I recommend dark chocolate chips so that the cookie is not going to be too sweet. This is mini chips, but you can also just dice the regular size chips. So this is the pecans. I love to add pecans in my snowball cookies or walnut. They just add such a nice toasty flavor. So I will add that today, but you can totally omit it. So when you decide to add nuts, very important thing for snowball cookies, you need to toast nuts. It's gonna make a huge difference with the texture. It gives such a nice light crunchiness. And mix until they are evenly blended. Today I rolled into about 3-centimeter balls. I like to shape them right away while the cookie dough is very soft and flexible. Bake at 340 Fahrenheit for about 23 to 27 minutes, or adjust the time depending on the size of your cookies. When you coat powdered sugar, make sure that your cookies are cooled completely, which takes at least for a few hours in room temperature usually. I like to shake my cookies and sugar together like that in my palms, with gentle but fast vibrations, which allow you to coat all the cookies evenly. I do not like too thick sugar coating, so I give a good vibration here, but if you want a good amount of sugar, add more and shake less. Like that. When the cookies are still warm, the powdered sugar melts and the coating gets too thick and looks very messy, so be careful with that. You can enjoy at home or dress it up to give to someone special. The texture is very light and crumbly, and I like the crunchiness from the chocolate chips and pecans as well. It'll be a perfect match with coffee or hot cocoa. You can store them in the fridge in an airtight container and enjoy little by little each day. Ray loved it with milk, so that's a suggestion from her. As you can see, she's grown so much. What's in it?
Chocolate chip.
Good job. Try. Hello, buddy. Get cozy inside and enjoy baking. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.